YouTube channel. I am Angelica Montañez, criminology student. I am second year college. So, our topic for today is all about differential association theory. So, it is founded by Edwin Sutherland. So, Edwin Sutherland proposing that through interaction with others, individuals learn the values, attitude, techniques, and motives for criminal behavior. So, different association theory is the most talked about of the learning theories of deviance. So, this theory focuses on how individuals learn to become a criminal, but it does not concern itself with why they become a criminal. Have you ever asked yourself why a certain individual become a criminal? So for this theory, we can learn why is a certain individual become a criminal. Edwin Sutherland proposing that through interaction with others, individuals learn the values, attitude, techniques, and motives for criminal behavior. Differential association theory is the most talked about of the learning theories of deviance. This theory focuses on how individuals learn to become criminals, but it does not concern itself with why they become criminals. It does not deny that there may be practical motives for crime. If a person is hungry but has no money, there is a temptation to steal. But the use of needs and values in equivocal to some extent, but both non-criminal and criminal individuals are motivated by the need for money and social gain. So, criminal behavior is learned. There is a possibility also that criminal behavior is learned in interaction with other persons in a process of community. The principal part of the learning of criminal behavior occurs within intimate personal groups. When criminal behavior is learned, the learning includes techniques committing the crime, which are sometimes very complicated, sometimes simple, and the specific direction of motives drives rationalization. An important quality of differential association theory is the frequency and intensity of interaction, the amount of time that a person is exposed to a particular definition, and at what point the interaction began are both crucial of explaining criminal activity. That's all. Thank you for watching.